Start by the Shits and Geeks show. Who wanna go first? We were all there, so.
Okay, top of my dome. Wallahi, you're gay. Wallahi, you're gay. The start of the show, mad guys.
Start of the show was crazy.
Like it's like they were feeding into the female audience
They
lot,
were,
man.
They were. They are catering to females.
Yeah, for this specific show.
For their shows, like for their touring, it's just for females. The show was fun though.
No,
I enjoyed it.
the show.
I told Michelle after the show that I wouldn't do one again. If you know, Fuad's team won, and I was shouting my voice was gone because I was shouting Fuad.
When James ran into the crowd at the karaoke piece,
Uh,
I was like,
the verses.
yeah, I was like, damn, that's such a loud move.
Who didn't go?
Facts,
to the
I would do
crowd?
the same.
You want the piece of the crowd?
I expected him to run like my way as well.
Yeah, but he
Because I wasn't
had-
that far, bro. Like, but he was mad close. You see the videos I sent you?
Yeah.
Man was just there, man. Just come this way.
That's crazy.
I grabbed
I
his
was
nip.
far, but
It was a good show for a podcast because I didn't want to go there and listen to a podcast.
yeah, I hear you.
No,
I
so
hear
like
you.
I can't go there expecting I don't know what to expect because so what I got was enough. Like
Yeah, same.
I'm happy with it because either we're gonna sit there and just do segments and they're doing a pod. I won't really feel like a live show or just to literally be a live show, man, which is like kind of boring.
Yeah.
So,
I heard you say.
They made it
included the
interactive
audience
and
stuff.
do something different, and I feel like they did enough.
They did enough, yeah.